I run out of ammo. Do you shoot him? Shoot him. Ouch! I got clapped, but I got ammo back there.
Oh my gosh. Where's this nigga at? Where's this nigga at?
No clue. He's right here, right here, right here. Wait, wait, ready?
Oh shit, my bad. I'm out of ammo!
Yeah! Oh, he's like literally one hit.
Go, just shoot him, you gotta shoot him.
I don't
No!
know. I got my ammo back. I got ammo back.
Oh shit, I got a shotgun.
Clap! Easy, bro. Shit can't, bro.
Oh my gosh, let's go.
Too easy. Watch there be another guy.
Nah, that guy's a boss, bro. He's a boss battle. That guy got the smoke.
Yes, bro. No smoke, no smoke.
Alright, at least we got a gun from it, that's good.
Game is bullshit. Graphics so bad.
Alright, so let's go. Let's go. Damn, that
Dumb
bitch was
ugly
one hit.
bitch, bro. Stupid bitch.
Bro, I remember what this bitch did to us last time, bro. We lost all our guns because of
Is,
her.
is there a door right here? No, it's not. Wait, I think I saw something.
Alright, okay. We cool, we Gucci.
I don't know where to go, bro.
Just don't get lost in the sauce, bro.
What? There's a city right there.
Damn.
Up here, up here, up here.
Alright, going uphill, Gucci gang. Alright,
Oh, guy right here.
I'll clap her.
One more. I hit her.
What the
Just
fuck?
hit her. Stupid bitch.
Oh, I'm stuck, dude, I'm stuck!
Okay, I clapped her, no worries. I wasted a shotgun shell, bro.
Oh my god, that bitch stuck me. Alright, where do we go? Do we go this way? She.
Where we go, bro? Yeah, door right here. Ouch. You see this door?
Okay, yeah, let's go. Bro, imagine if that's the way we came from. Is it?
Can't be, bro. Can't be.
Oh, yo,
What
okay.
are you?
Alright, 3. Damn, I'm gonna quick scope some.
You have a sniper?
Yeah.
Can I use a scope? Can you use a scope?
There's probably.
Come
Oh
on,
yeah, you
bro.
can.
What?
You just have to click the mouse button. Oh, that's how you aim in.
What?
You have to click the mouse button.
Oh shit, this game is, bro. The mouse button is the zoom in.
Alright. Do we go through here? Alright.
Where do we go back into the rooms, bro? I don't want. Help!
Help!
Wait. Let me sit
Oh my
gear
gosh,
real quick.
G! Look at that.
Ooh!
How are we gonna do this? Alright, we gotta wait for them to come. And we gotta do the run around.
Wait, can you go through here?
We gotta do the run around, okay?
Wait. Make
Oh,
them,
oh wait, no,
make them
come in the forest.
I'll come with you, okay?
Alright.
Ready? Hit the fat gap,
No, go, you do it.
Go!
Oh my gosh, I just got kicked in the head.
I'm going back.
Oh.
Boost! I made it.
Alright, nice.
I made it, they're following me.
Nice, I'm just gonna hit the fat gap.
I just lost my AR, bro.
Alright, I still got
You
my
go
shotty
back here?
though. I still got my
Did
shotty.
you go back here?
Equip. Alright, you go back there.
No, you're meant to go over here.
Oh my gosh! Ah, man, please, Lord, please.
You're meant to go over here.
What the fuck?
Dumb shit game is this, bro? How does this game have
Bro.
mostly positive?
Is it? Oh my gosh. We are so fucked, yo. We are so fucked. Oh my
Look at
gosh. Oh my gosh. Can we kill this guy? Oh my gosh.
Wait.
Oh, there's people behind us as well. What do we do? Oh no, that's the front. Yo, what the hell? Alright, there's morphine, bro. There's morphine over there.
I'm picking up this morphine. I can't pick it up.
Oh, I think it's because you already have some.
Stupid bitch.
Alright, sweet. Go.
Oh, don't waste your ammo, bro. Don't waste your ammo on your pistols. Because just waste your mag. Make sure you use every single bullet. Dumb bitch coming!
Oh my gosh, I just couldn't reload.
Dumb bitch, bro.
Alright. Alright, let me take a morphine today.
Hard. Let me hit a morphine as well. Use up this morphine.
Alright, pick up the other one, Alright.
I picked it up.
Alright, I'm just gonna go kill this fool. Oh my gosh. You need to shoot him.
I shot him. Oh!
Oh my, I'm out of ammo, so here.
Ouch! You're shooting me, dog!
I'm not shooting you. They're shooting you. Oh my
What?
gosh. Oh my gosh.
I killed him.
Alright, I spawned with ammo.
Stupid bitch, man. Oh yes! There's an AR-15 right here.
Alright, is it two?
Pick up one. There's pick up one each.
Alright, cut that nigga.
Nice. How much ammo do you have? There's a morphine down here. Pick it up. Morphine right here.
Alright, so take that. Alright, okay, where do we go? Okay. Alright, I'll go. Oh, you got it?
More guys. Yeah, I got him.
Alright.
Oh, headshot. Go ahead. Another.
Alright, let me headshot these guys.
Guy right here, to your right. I ran out.
Alright, all good. I clapped these guys at front. Oh my gosh, what is that?
There's a pistol right here. This game is a fucking troll. Don't use up all your ammo. Oi! Okay.
Oh shit!
Die.
Yeah. Alright, let's go.
Shit.
What the fuck is that thing, eh? Oh my gosh, bro, there's a guy in a bed. What the? I was gonna you're probably on low health.
You're taking damage too. Ouch. I was right here. Killed the guy on the left side.
Alright.
Did you kill the guy on the bed? Wait.
Yeah, he's dead.
I clapped his ass.
Here we go. Alright,
Check
check.
the ground.
I'm gonna check the side. I'll check the side. Alright, nothing. Should just go next. Oh shit, are we supposed to jump off?
No.
Okay.
What the hell is even this game, bro? I got a Remington 870. Alright, when the transit is.
Let's go, bro. Transit from
There's a guy here on the left.
yeah, I see him. Oh my gosh, they got guns! What the fuck? I got clapped.
Why do they have guns? I don't have any ammo.
Alright.
I literally have 0 ammo.
Yeah, I got him.
Did you pick up their guns?
Alright.
You can pick up the guns!
Oh, sweet. Alright. I'll take those guys, and you take the other guys.
I got a whole mag. There's another zombie here, I think.
Oh my gosh, bro, this guy's on... Oh, they're headshot, bro. One headshot.
Oh shit, no crap, there are one hit shot. I need a morphine bad. I'm gonna lose all my ammo.
Alright, I'll see if I can find him.
Hey,
Let me lead the way. Let me lead the way.
no, I'll drop you my pistol and I'll kill myself first.
Wait. I don't
That
think
way,
because
that way. Could you not pick up this gun?
No, I can, but I can't drop your ammo.
Yeah, just. Do you have all the ammo for that one? For that gun? Could you pick up that gun?
Yeah, I picked it up.
Do you have an extra gun?
No.
Fucking kidding me?
Oh my gosh.
I'm going down here. I'm gonna full send. Die here first.
Alright, you take those two.
I could dual wield. Do you have, oh gee, you need to go first.
Don't hit.
I'm actually gonna die. I'm actually gonna die.
Don't hit with your gun. Don't hit with your gun. It does no damage. Just run.
I'm going upstairs.
Alright, do you have ammo? Oh, I got ammo.
Yeah, I got 3 mags. Dumb bitch is dead.
Alright, should I try to get us unlimited ammo? That'd be way better.
Yeah, you need to go first. You need to go first. Seriously. I'm stuck on you.
Oh wait, hold up.
Did you press pause or something?
Ammo. Oh yeah, I was just trying to get ammo for us, but I don't think we can.
Help me! Help over here!
You go first. Shit.
Oh, what the?
Whoa! Simon!
What? Are you? What, bro? Do you see that?
I got disconnected.
Yeah, just rejoin. Bro, that guy looked like Jeff the Killer, yo. You remember that guy?
This game is just ass. Yes, bro. I lost my 3 mags! Oh, go right here. Let's pick up that.
Oh, bro,
Give us that.
there's knives here.
Okay, give us that knife.
Alright,
I
take
need
the
that
morphine.
morphine. Do you need a morphine?
No, I'll be all good. Wait, should I look up cheats for this game?
Nah, bro, we'll full send it. We don't cheat, bro. We don't cheat. We're on there. Okay, right. Oh, no.
Yo,
Carbine
you
right
take
there. Pick it up. Oh, no, you pick it up.
that. Alright, shut up. Let me just set up my inventory. I died like so many times, bro.
Alright, chill.
Bro, that fucking Jeff. Oh, there's a bed.
Go on the
over
bed. Go on the bed guy.
Alright. Alright, oh my gosh.
Is that how... What the hell was even that?
Alright, let's check this side for any weapons.
I will go the other side as well.
Oh,
Pick up his gun.
alright.
Chainsaw guy.
Alright, hit the back gap.
That's what I'm doing. Turn around.
Alright.
I'm gonna die.
Oh my gosh.
Go on a bed over here.
Alright, sweet. Got him.
Wait. Let me just...
Just heal up. I'll take care of the rest of these guys, if there's any more.
If you see any guns, let us pick it up.
Alright, sweet. Alright, you can take... Oh, did that guy drop one?
He did. Shot boss.
Alright, hold on, I need morphine, but...
I'll drop you one. I'll drop you this one.
Are you on full health?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you're on 67.
Dropped you that. I dropped you that.
Sure.
Can I not do... It says I can dual wield.
How do you dual wield?
I have like 7 guns.
What? How do you dual wield? Oh shit, yeah, it says the same.
Oh, big guys.
Are they actual big
Oh,
guys?
they can't hit us. Yeah, big guys. They can't hit us from up here. Why is the recoil in this gun so dumb?
Oh my gosh.
Alright, we're up.
Alright, there's morphine over there.
Where?
Right here.
Shut us. Oh! Jeff the Killer guy!
Alright,
They're
they're
like one-
easier
they're like
knife.
300.
They're like 10.
Fuck, I should have knifed, to be honest. Oh, gee, the Jeff the Killer stunts. Jeff the Killer couldn't get us a point. Ouch, ouch! Oh my god. Oh, why did I just... I fucking dumb, I just wasted a mag.
Alright, just don't.
I clapped his ass.
Alright, sweet, same. Oh, there's another one. Alright, sweet, he's down. Is there one more? Now we're safe.
Wait, let me just...
Alright, I'll take care of the... Oh, shit.
What?
Oh, I was like, I'll take care of the guys upstairs.
Oh, bitches! Oh, bitches to the left!
Oh, there's three!
Yeah, the fake guy!
Switchblade. Alright, gang bang next one.
Next one.
Yeah. Alright, there we go.
I'll switch to my pistol real quick. Oh, a bitch right here!
Alright, hold up, let's go. Gang bang.
Oh, that's kind
Oh,
of
shit.
I'm killing him, I'm knocking him. I'm getting hit.
Oh my gosh, bro. Alright, use your morphine, if you have any.
I'm lagging, I don't know why. We going here? I think we're going here.
Alright, so
I got a morphine. My nigga, you made me waste some morphine. Okay, I think we're going here.
alright, let me just pull out my... Shit, do I have any... Ah, I've got no ammo.
Bitch right here!
Oh
I
my
need to use a morphine. Oh, you need to use a morphine. You need one?
No, you use it, cause,
No, you need to use it. I'll be good with 30.
Should I? Oh, yeah, sweet, shot.
There's a room here. Oh, a carbine right there for you.
Oh, I already got one. So you
Let's
take
pick
it.
it up.
I got my switchblade. Is there anything else over here?
Bitch. Did you use a morphine?
Yeah, I did.
I'm getting down to 20 health, bro.
Alright.
Guy right here.
Shoot him.
Flash gun! Two flash guns! I think I'm shooting you.
Oh, there's a guy in here. With a gun.
Big cunt.
Just headshot him.
Dead, bro. You wanna pick up his pistol?
Yeah, let me just take that.
Pick it up. Pick it up.
Can you pick it up? Alright.
Oh, I picked it up. My bad.
There's another one over here.
Oh, shit, boss.
Um,
I'm running alone midday.
alright, let me go first.
Wait. Watch these guys. How'd they get in?
Alright.
Good shot, bro.
Got him. Alright.
Alright, go to the right.
Go to the right? Alright.
Alright. No, he's following me. Pussy nigga.
Oh, dude.
He's blocking the way.
Hold up.
Shoot him.
Hold up. I can't get too close to him. Wait, why is this guy not following me? Hold on, let's see if he notices me. What's up, bitch? Yo, hop out, and come this way. Oh shit. Alright, we have to go up the stairs, run up the stairs. Alright. Oh shit!
I'm out of ammo on this gun.
Oh shit, bro, why am I shooting?
Let's pick that man.
Oh my gosh, I'm out of ammo!
Oh, you're out of ammo?
Yeah, you take it,
All gun?
You take it.
All your gun? I'm low health. I'm about to lose all my ammo.
Alright, drop me some ammo and I'll go first.
Do I just drop you the gun or what?
Yeah,
I can't drop you the ammo.
hold on.
Oh, chainsaw!
I got one hit! Oh my gosh, I got one hit.
I got one hit as well.
Alright, all good, at least we got health, ammo.
I didn't get our guns back though.
Alright. That motherfucker, bro,
Oh,
that guy just
man.
like one shot me, yo.
You won't shot me.
Should go downstairs again? Alright, here, let me take care of this guy. Oh!
He's one hit. He killed
I
one
know,
hit.
he kills one hit. Alright, at least I damaged him. I damaged him though.
Oh, we both have to shoot him with our pistols, bro. We can't.
We'll just empty the mag, bro. Just empty it on him. Empty the clip on him.
Yeah.
Alright, hit the fat gap. Don't get bunted. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
He's climbing up the stairs, but I can't get my way in.
Alright, hold on. Let me just suss this guy. Let me suss this guy out, and you try to move him.
Oh, he's making his way to me. Fine. It's Whataburger. Get away from me. Is he unloading his full
I
mag?
killed him.
Is he
I
dead?
killed
Dead?
Yeah.
Oh my god, bro! Finally. Oh, midget nigga! What the fuck?
What happened?
Midget nigga right here, to the left. I clapped him! One hit smack, bro. Oh shit, my bad. Did I give you damage?
No, I don't think so. Try it again. Try it again.
No, it doesn't.
Oh!
Oh, he's not a headshot. Do you need his pistol ammo?
Yeah.
No, you probably need it. Oh, we have to go downstairs again.
This is like a dual wheel, but
Alright, are you going downstairs again?
yeah, let's go downstairs.
No, we can't. It says door won't budge.
Um,
Don't waste your ammo. Don't press R, bro. You have to just
I know,
use your...
I know.
Press bullshit, bro.
We go.
It's not working.
Oh, yeah, we go here. We go here.
Where? Shit. Mans was blocking the door. The fat guy that way as well.
Alright, jinx this guy. Jinx this guy. Hit the fat. Oh!
I'll jinx that guy.
Oh no!
What?
No, there's 2G.
I'll make my way to you.
Just don't get.
Oh, don't touch me!
Oh my gosh, there's a bed nigga. There's a bed nigga. Alright, come up here.
Behind
Come
you,
up
behind
here.
you as well. Help me! I'm coming.
Oh, shit. Oh my gosh, what the fuck? I'm out of ammo.
Alright, let me go first. Door right here.
Oh my.
Alright, let's go. And beginning. Oh yeah! Help! Wait, what? Shotgun right here. Another guy. No, it's not. It's a P. Oh, two guns for you right here.
Oh shit, wait. Should I die first or?
Shit.
Hold up. Should I die?
Okay,
Hold
you
on.
wanna die? Yeah, die. Yeah.
Let me,
Just try kill yourself. Try.
let me just drop these real quick. See if
Alright.
you get anything from it.
No, pick up the sledgehammer.
Yeah, but I can't. I won't get it back. Let me just run it straight.
Oh,
and
yeah,
die.
true.
Oh what? I can't. Okay, never mind. There's no guys up here, so let me just pick up the weapons. I'll just pick up the weapons anyways. Alright, sweet. You keep the guns.
Shot boss. Oh fuck, man, stupid bro. Oh!
Oh! Dang, bro!
I spawned him with the AK.
Oh my god, bro, I'm actually gonna cry.
Which way did you go? You die?
Yes, oh my gosh, bro, that scared the poo-poo out of me. That scared the poo-poo out of me, G.
Firing squad right here.
Yo, he's gonna come this way. Careful, bro, careful, he's
coming! I'm so low. Shoot him.
I'm shooting him! I'm out of ammo!
Nigga, you about to get me killed, cuz. I got clapped. I got my gun back. I got my gun
Alright, hold
back.
on, let me just die real quick,
I got my Draco as well.
Oh my gosh, who's...
Let's go.
Just be careful, bro.
Alright,
Oh.
come.
I thought you clapped
Come
this
on.
guy already. Dude, that guy... Alright, he's right
Yeah,
around
okay.
this corner. Alright, get... Wait. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Shoot me, dear cuz. What the fuck was that?
That was a
Bid
big guy.
nigga, bid nigga. Why is it a 3-round burst, bro? Oh, carbide sniper rifle. Stop shooting at me.
I'm not, this guy's not dead.
Dude, bro. Hold up, I picked up a sniper.
Alright.
Gang on that bang on that shit.
Oh shit.
I clapped him. Get his gun. Another guy. Clapped him again. Get his gun. Yeah, just push him with a sniper. A shotgun right here for you.
Alright, shot. Now, where do we... Oh shit.
This
This
way.
way. Okay, down
This
here.
way.
Okay. Okay.
Here. Something in here. Oh! Little nigga!
Little nigga! Alright, check out this room.
Yeah, gun for you. I can't use that gun.
Alright.
Oh, these doors are budged. Alright, you following me?
Yeah, just let...
I'm
yeah.
going in first.
Alright.
That's a shotgun for you.
Go with the party. I'm with the gang. All my niggas getting robbery.
That's a bitch ass nigga. Oh! Oh! Okay!
Oh
I ran
my
out of
gosh.
ammo.
You ran out of ammo?
Yeah. Is there
You
a
on the
gun
shotgun?
anywhere?
You on the shotgun?
Oh yeah, yes
Go
please.
this way.
Hold nigga.
Oh, one shot!
Nice, bro. Elevator's stuck.
Oh no. Ah! Oh my gosh! Dude, what the?
Go
Oh,
ahead.
chainsaw guy. Get upstairs.
He's right here this way. Who's this?
Ah! Dude, man! Dude, just run! Hey, I'll just risk it for a biscuit, G. I'll risk it for a biscuit. Move out the way. He can't get through yet. What a dumb nigga. Run, G! Just run, just run, what the?